Hey YouTube, I am back and I am here to show you how to take off this makeup. So first we're going to use wipes, and I have a product up in here I'm going to use. And let me see if I can get to it. And I'm going to also show you what I apply on my face at night. So we're going to be using two things. So we're going to use the makeup remover. And it says it's supposed to take off easily. So we'll see how that works. So we're just going to use this. So we're just going to do it. So this is the first time of me using the balm remover. And things. So let's get that. All right, and let's go. All right. Y'all see that? How that makeup is coming off? So what I'm going to do, so before I'm going to use some paper towels just to wipe it off first. Look at that. Okay, so now where I've used this. So what the next thing I'm going to use is this. I'm going to use this just to finish it all out. And I'm going to give you my opinion of this Blissful Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Oh my God, I have a lot to say. I'm going to say about that. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to give a little wipe just to make sure everything has gotten off with the wipe. Now I'm going to go in with take a little bit of this. Well, no, I won't. I'm going to use this for the eyebrows and the eyes. So we make sure we got everything clean. So I'm going to stand up in the mirror for a minute. All right, we got all of that, and I'm gonna give that a couple of minutes, but that is it. My point of view when it comes to this, to this Blissful Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, I like it. It gets almost all of it off. You put a good enough amount on here, you get a good amount of it off. So after I get through with, after using this, and where did I? Here it is. So after using this, I'm going to wait a bit and do a, after I get through using that, I'm going to wait a bit and I'm going to use a little bit of this on my face. It's not going to hurt my face at all. This is just a Neutrogena Cleaning Balance Milky Cleanser. A milky cleanser I'm going to use. So yeah, so let me go on and put this on and let it set a bit. Okay, I'm going to take that right now and I'm just going to add this to my face. So before I put I wash it completely off. That's what I would do. This will be like after a makeup tutorial. This is something I would do. I have different, let me just say, different techniques. Hope everybody, so we're gonna wait for a bit. So let me wait for a towel. Okay. But yeah, make sure y'all check out my makeup tutorial where I talk about He-Man Masters of the Universe. And this one, like I'm saying, the Blissful Makeup Removing Balm, cleansing moving balm, it's pretty okay. I like it. So we're gonna rinse my face off. And stuff, so we're gonna rinse this off. All right. Pretty good. It's not much of a stain, but yeah. All right, and just to finish off, and let me get this. Get this open fucking. And this is gonna be the Blissful sleeping mask. So this is the Blissful sleeping mask, and all the Blissful products should help you achieve moisturizing skin and stuff. And like I have told y'all, I use the Blissful for my brows and stuff because I have in one of my left brow, I have real bad dandruff. So yeah. So these are just samples I'm using. You can find them at Sephora. So yeah. And that Nutrisystem stuff you can probably find at Walmart or at Ulta. So I will leave that, and I will, and I'm just taking it down into my neck a bit. But yeah, that's all I have time for, y'all. Until the end, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.